Hey there, fellow traders! Have you ever wondered what are the biggest trading mistakes? Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, we've all been there. We all make those classic trading mistakes. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some tips to help you avoid the most common pitfalls. Let's go over our disclaimer first. You are responsible for your own investments. There are no financial advices of any kind in our content. Everything you see here is for educational purposes only. Now let's dig in with the first mistake. The infamous lack of a trading plan. Think of a trading plan as your roadmap to success. Without it, you're like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly and likely to hit some rocks. So, grab a pen and paper and map out your strategy. Risk tolerance, belief system goals mainly, everything that will lead you in your trading journey. Include at least 100 paper or live trading. Trades you took with your strategy or strategies if you have more than one. Trust me, your future self will thank you if you take the time to gather all these informations. Have you ever seen a business without a business plan that is successful in the long run? Believe me, this is a must. Next, let's talk about overtrading. I wrestle with this one daily. It's like eating too much cake. It seems fun at first, but you'll regret it later. Overtrading means making too many trades, often out of boredom or excitement, and it can lead to big losses. To avoid this, set some limits and stick to them. Remember, quality over quantity. If you get value of what you see here, hit the like button. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you want to have more trading tips to go forward in algo trading, don't forget to subscribe and join us in this journey. Now, onto poor risk management. Trading without managing risk is like skydiving without a parachute. Not a good idea. Make sure you're using stop-loss orders, position sizing strategies, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Tools like risk-reward ratios and diversification are your best friends here. Ever let your emotions get the best of you? Yeah, me too. Letting emotions drive decisions is a surefire way to make bad trades. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment. To keep your cool, develop a trading routine, take breaks, and maybe even try some mindfulness techniques. Stay calm, stay sharp. Ignoring market research is another biggie. It's like driving with your eyes closed. Not smart. Do your homework, stay updated with market news, and use reliable sources for your analysis. Knowledge is power, folks. Then there's the lack of diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is risky business. Spread your investments across different assets to cushion against market ups and downs. Mix it up, stocks, bonds, you name it. Finally, don't forget to keep a trading journal. Tracking your trades helps you learn from your wins and losses. Note down every trade, why you made it, the outcome, and what you learned. It's like having a personal coach. We all face these top trading mistakes at different degrees. Depending on our personality, each of them have a fix to avoid them. They must be addressed, and if you avoid knowing what are your greatest weakness, believe me, the market will teach you at a very high price. Trading is a journey, and we all make mistakes. The key is to learn from them and keep pushing forward. We will come back on each of these in detail. Until that time, don't forget to subscribe and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.